Manufacturing at Blur is something that can be done in a number of ways. It can be contract manufacturing, it can be something that we've designed and then we're taking to manufacturing and owning that full transfer to production process. We have expertise from the development side of it that can be pushed into a strictly contract manufacturing job where they want us to implement systems or optimize any of that documentation to make our process better for the future.
We've got clean room capabilities. We're in a class 4 laser room, as well as mini versatile manufacturing line. In manufacturing, we have product that is ordered and then received. It goes through our incoming process. Once it's inspected at the incoming area, it can then be received into our receiving area. From there, it gets pulled from work orders onto manufacturing line, where we have versatile benches that can be electrical, mechanical box builds, all the way to consumables in the clean room that we have.
We have a lot of experience with coaching customers on inspection practices and how we can incorporate either incoming or in-process final testing requirements into their documentation or into just their approach to manufacturing.
All mechanical, electrical products are eventually going to require service. We're unique in the fact that we can take you all the way from design and development through the service process. So now you're not looking for a third-party service provider. You can go right back to Blur and we're here to help.
Yeah, Blur's flexible in our approach to applying different types of manufacturing processes or incorporating different products into our system, but the important thing that the quality team does is maintain compliance through that process.
Here at Blur, we have what we call cooperations, and that's quality and operations. We view ourselves as one team with common goals. Quality understands that we have quick timelines that require us to be flexible, and then we also understand that we have to be compliant. We're ISO 13485, we're working on FDA devices, so compliance is key, but also being able to be flexible. So we've really worked hand in hand to make sure that we're able to achieve common goals. To get started with the Blur contract manufacturing facility, reach out to us and just let us know where you are in your process. Show us what you've done so far, and we can tell you what we look forward to working with you.